Have you ever heard this strange sound on your flight before takeoff? Listen closely. That noise scares many passengers, but it's completely normal. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with the airplane. Sound comes from the PTU, the power transfer unit. It's a system that allows one hydraulic system to help another when extra pressure is needed. That's why it sounds the way it does. It's not an engine failure, it's not a malfunction, and it's not an emergency. It's simply hydraulic pressure moving inside the aircraft. This sound usually happens during taxi, engine start, or system setup on the ground. And this is important. You only hear it at low speed, never during normal flight. If that sound meant something was wrong, the airplane wouldn't leave the gate. We would stop and fix it. So next time you hear it, remember, it's not dangerous. And if you want to understand airplane sounds, turbulence, and feel calm when flying, check my bio. If you like my content, don't forget to follow me and comment on your fears about flying so we can resolve them.